What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cheap Tool Reviews, the channel that reviews the cheapest tools from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish, you name it, and we'll review, guys. And of course, if you're new to the channel, don't forget hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. But of course, guys, I want to say thank you to all the loyal subscribers that we have, and that you guys kept the channel going. The channel's actually been growing since I haven't uploaded any videos. But as you guys know, the last thing was I hurt my leg, my knee. I got my wisdom teeth pulled. So, we're back. We're going to start off 2021 good, guys, because as you guys know, 2020, some of it was great, some of it wasn't. Just depends how it was for you. But we're hoping this year is going to be 10 times better. We're going to come back with the weekly uploads. So I got to buy more tools and all that, guys. But we're going to do what we can. Make sure we continue the channel and all this to the best that we can. So I do have tools that I've ordered that are just there waiting to be reviewed. So don't worry, guys. We're going to get to them and we're going to continue making the videos, guys. But like I said, I want to say thank you to all of those that stayed watching, and all the people that continue to subscribe, even though there hasn't been an upload in, I don't even remember when the last time. A couple months though, I know that for sure. So let's go ahead and get started with this review, guys. Let's go ahead and open it up. I don't even remember exactly what everything was, but I from the package that I remember, I think I have it on my phone for what this was. So let's go ahead and start by opening this thing up. See, it's been a couple months. The knife's not as sharp as it was. All right, whatever. So we got a palm nailer. So the reason why I got one of these was I saw on, I think it was YouTube, somebody was using one or for some project I was watching, and I was like, man, that's pretty genius. So I decided to look up, I was like, I want one. Checked, and the price on one of these, they're like $50 to $60 for a palm nailer. So you know what? This is a perfect opportunity to review one of these. So this one was, I think it was like $21 or something like that on eBay. $24.99, free shipping. And that was when I bought it, guys. So the price changes and whatnot. I have some people that go on there telling me it's not the same price. I apologize. I'm not the person selling them. I just buy it and review. So let's go ahead and open this up. We got instructions. The brand Steel Core Compact Air Palm Nailer. So we don't need the well, maybe we might need the instructions, but oh, nice. Comes with a little bottle of oil. Yeah, nice little bottle of oil, and sealed up pretty good. I'm amazed it didn't leak in there. Allen wrench. Not sure what that's gonna be for. And the actual tool itself. Oh, nice. Pretty small. So I've never used one of these, but it is small. Brand Steel Core. Who knows what that brand is, but I mean, they got a sticker on there saying it's theirs. But I mean, I don't know much about this for me to say, oh, it's not good or it is good as to quality wise, but everything's metal. Everything. It doesn't seem to be too bad, but I wonder how you activate. Oh, I think when you put it against it, that's going to automatically activate it, I hope. But we're going to try it out, guys. We're going to go outside, get some nails, a couple pieces of wood, different sizes, and see how far this thing can, impact it. But I mean, it's pretty cool. It looks like a good tool. Hopefully it works as good as it looks, guys. So let's go ahead and go outside, guys, and see how this works. We're out here. We got some pieces of wood. We're going to do our common 2x4, of course, depending on what you're doing. And just a 2x6. So, this is thick enough to see what, depending on what you're going to do. Is this a 2x6? No, a 4x6, sorry. So 4x6 and a 2x4. We're going to see how this works. So I've never used one of these, but I did put some oil in there. That's what the instructions said to do. And, it's magnetic, so you don't have to be like holding it there or anything like that. So we're going to get straight to it. Put this wood right here. Whoa. Check this out. Let me zoom this up over there. It sunk the nail pretty good. So it's not bad at all. So we got a couple nails here. I'm gonna try it on both ends. Do another one right here. Like I said, you just gotta put it in there. Oh, or I guess you could hold it and just. Wow, I'm actually impressed by this tool. I'm gonna do a couple right through here. Let me back it up. Oh, I bent that one. I guess I gotta make sure it's straight before you do it, of course. Wow, this is impressive. So this is nice. Like, of course, if you're, I mean, I don't think you're gonna do a whole fence like this, but if you're in a tight space where you don't have a hammer and you can't get, you know, a framing nailer in there or anything, woo, this right here, it didn't hurt, but it scared me because I was like, oh, what is that? But you can see here, I bent this whole nail. It'll keep pushing that nail in there. I got one more nail, guys, somewhere in here. Maybe not. Let me grab another. So we'll do another one. Make sure it's straight. Okay, well, that wasn't straight, but it's good enough. And look at that, it sinks it right in. This is a win for sure, guys. I mean, I don't know how many videos we've done and which ones weren't good and which ones were, but this is guaranteed. This is very nice. I mean, this is a good tool for $21. I don't know how well the what $60 versions work, but this one for $20 is not bad at all. I mean, you guys just saw me put these in there, these other ones right through there. Had no problem. Of course, it's gonna depend on your compressor, your air hose, but I mean, it says recommended pressure 100, and you know, we have it a little bit more than that because the regulator just started dumping all the air out instead of actually just regulating down the pressure. But I mean, it's not bad at all, guys. It is pretty good. I think this is worth it, guys, for what, $21 I said it was. Guaranteed win right here, guys. Finally, a good tool we got that's a winner. The first couple tools were winners, and the Power Probe's been doing good. The Impact gun's been doing good. The Grinder's been doing good. But this one for sure, guys, I'm gonna have to make sure I use this one, guys. But we're gonna end it right here, guys. We're not gonna go back inside like we normally do. We'll just finish it right here with a win, guys. So like I said, guys, don't forget, hit that like button and the subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't worry, guys, we've read the comments. We know what tools you guys want us to review. We're gonna get to them. Just give us a little bit of time, guys, but we're gonna get there, guys. But thanks so much, guys, and you know, let your friends know this tool by Steel Core is pretty good, guys. Thank you so much.